All right, so I've previously done a video about the YouTube video editor and what it can do and how it can do it. But I still get a lot of questions looking for features that aren't actually available. In this video, I'm going to cover some of those and explain what the YouTube video editor can't do. And unfortunately, it's probably not going to be able to do some of the things you're looking for, and I'm going to explain why. That's coming up. Stay tuned. YouTube Simplified. Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and it is my mission to simplify YouTube so you and I can grow together. Like I said, get a lot of questions looking for specific editing features in the YouTube video editor, and unfortunately, the news on them is not good. I'm going to explain exactly why that's the case and why people completely misunderstand the purpose of the YouTube video editor. All right, so let's get this straight. The YouTube video editor is not designed to be a full video editor replacement. Judging by the features that YouTube has made available in the YouTube video editor, to me, there's a very clear purpose that the editor has been designed to serve. All right, so in the age of copyright infractions and strikes and people claiming music and all these other things that happen to your videos, what the YouTube video editor has actually been designed for is to allow you to interact with existing videos on the platform and make changes that can help you get in good graces with YouTube or copyright owners in terms of your content. What that means is they've given you some basic features that can allow you to remove an offending piece of audio or maybe clip out a section of the video that contains some type of copyright or infraction that has been brought to the attention of YouTube. This way, you don't have to kill the entire video or delete the video, take it down. You can actually go in. YouTube will identify the time range where something has been claimed, and you can then go in and deal with that without losing the views and all the activity on that video. Now, even though it was designed that way, obviously, those features can allow you to do certain things that you might normally expect to get out of your regular editor. You can trim the beginning or ends of a video. You can go in and remove particular sections. To a certain degree, you can go in and grab one of YouTube's audio tracks and replace a piece of the audio on the video once it's up on YouTube. But you're not going to be able to do full-fledged editing on YouTube after the video has been uploaded. I think the days of having an editor built into YouTube for that purpose are probably in the past. So if you're interested how to add an intro or how to take two different videos and put them together or how to replace the entire music soundtrack on your video, unfortunately, those are not features that I see coming in the future for the YouTube video editor. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if they never add that type of stuff because every indication that I see is that the YouTube video editor is strictly to deal with certain infractions that can be dealt with without removing the entire video. So if you are looking for a YouTube video editor and you can't use the YouTube video editor, what are some good options? So hey, if you do want to figure out what some other video editing options are to make some changes and actually edit your video before you get it to YouTube, stick around because I will share some quick options that you can do that are low cost or free that can help you do some of the things you've been asking for. And hey, don't forget this video has been sponsored by TUBEBUDDY. TUBEBUDDY is the #1 browser plugin for managing and growing your YouTube channel. It's available to download for free. There's a link in the description below, or you can go to trytubebuddy.today and get started for free. All right, so if you're on a Windows machine, you can use Windows Movie Maker provided it is older than Windows 10. If you're on Windows 10, you can actually go into the Photos app that's built into Windows, and that's where they move the video editing features. So Windows Movie Maker can no longer be found, but if you do dive into the Photos app that's built into Windows, you will be able to do a fair amount of video editing type tasks. Now, if you're on iPhone, iMovie is a great free way to edit your videos before you upload to YouTube. If you're on Android, UCut is another app that you can go out and get. It's free. There's no watermark. You can make edits and upload your video. Obviously, you want to make all those important changes of adding videos together, adding your intro, all those things prior to actually pressing upload. So again, to cover all those bases, YouTube Video Editor is never going to be your full replacement for all the editing tasks that you might have to put together a high quality video on YouTube. But it can save you in a jam when you got a copyright strike that you have to deal with and you don't want to lose all the traffic that you've already gained on your video. And let me know in the description below what you guys are currently using to edit your videos, whether you're doing it on a phone or on a desktop, and what application or software you're using. And be sure to stick around to the end screens, and I'll share some more videos that can help you with editing your videos.
Again, coming over as a video creator from YouTube, you want to remember that LinkedIn is a video or is a written platform first. So yes, they added video in September 2017.
Right.
Everyone's been rolled out for access, but opening up each of your videos in the post